So hey y'all, while my mask is sitting, oops, I have about 18 minutes left. I'm gonna take you on a tour of my skincare fridge. So you open it here, and this is my sister's stuff that esthetician at Ulta recommended. Everything that's in here, I got it from Ulta Beauty, that's where I work. So this is what she recommended for really both of us, but I bought it for my sister because I already had a kit. I have the Mario Badescu vitamin C serum. As you can see, I have a lot of masks. You just seen the moisturizer I Am Aloe mask by Tony Moly. I have the lavender. I have the lavender one. Don't want to take it out because my stuff is on top of it. I have the hydrating one. Oh, this is the I Am Lavender. So this is the lavender hydrating, y'all. If y'all don't have these masks or if you don't use them, you're missing out. You're missing out. And I have the Pore Care I Am Charcoal by Tony Moly. Go to Ulta Beauty. Go to Ulta Beauty and get you these masks. Not even because I work there or I work for the company, but it works. Get the masks. So, back to the tour. So this is where I keep my masks. They have to be like bent for them to stay. So hold up. You have to slightly bend it for it to stay. And my products that I have is, if I can get it out, the Deep Cleansing Oil by DHC. Whoever that is. This was in beauty kit that Ulta Beauty had. So yeah, I will get more products when I run out. So this is Philosophy Renewed Hope in a Jar Healing Mousse. It's like a cleanser. It gets all the dead skin and debris and stuff off your face. This is the Peter Thomas Raw. Don't mind my nails, they so busted up. The Peptide 21 Wrinkle Resistant Cream or whatnot. If I can get it to focus, there we go. Little serum if you must. And I also have Tula. Ooh, I can't hold on to nothing. We're just gonna do it like that. The Tula Probiotic Skincare Gel Cream. You see it. I also have eye masks that I'm constantly dropping stuff by MB. I've had this before, the eye mask, and I love it. The only thing about it, it's expensive. $52. Like, oh my. And the last thing that came in the kit was this Mirror Hydration Night Fix Enzyme Treatment. So yeah, that's everything. Oops. Well, some of this stuff I might as well leave out because I gotta use. Like some of this stuff I don't even need to use. I just use it because it comes in the kit. And yes, I do reuse my mask. I just fold them up. Make sure they retain their moisture. And hopefully with them being in this fridge, that they retain the moisture. So yeah, that's the tour of my skincare fridge. Okay y'all, so hey, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a couple of months, maybe a month or two since my last one, but working 2 jobs has had me very busy. As you can see, and tell, hopefully, that I got a new phone and a new watch as well. I definitely needed it. Hopefully you can tell a difference because I'm using the front camera now. Hopefully the front camera isn't too big of a difference. But if so, I'll just continue to record from my back camera. Other than that, this is my nighttime routine and the skin products that I use and my review on this skincare fridge. So with the fridge, it didn't get as cold as I thought it would, but it's definitely chilly. Like it's like a nice little chill, I guess. As you can see, my face, you probably can't even tell because my face soaked up all the moisture, but it was very glowy. It still got a little bit of a glow. I've been slacking on my skincare routine because, like I said, 2 jobs been having me working like crazy. But other than that, I do like the fridge so far. I will come back with a part 2, an update on how I like the fridge. Let me go get the card to read more information on it. So it is called Alchemy Living, I'm guessing. This is the card that came in the box. I threw the box away already. But it says perfect for cooling your crystal roller, day creams, face mist, probiotic and preservative free skincare plus sodas too. The Alchemy Living Mini Beauty Refrigerator is an ultra versatile addition to your space. Compact mini design switches from heating to cooling with a thermoelectric system that adapts to your needs. So yeah, you can plug this up. I think, yes, you can plug this up in your car, which is very cool. I should try, but again, it don't get as cold as I thought it would, but maybe I gotta leave it plugged up a little bit longer. But like I said, I'm not leaving it plugged up all day and all night because that's running up electricity, and who got time for that? But yeah, so far I do like this fridge. I was going to order me one, but with the virus going on, you know, I don't know if they're going to stop shipping or whatnot. I don't know. So I just got lucky today that my job at Ross, my other job, we got it in today, and I was like, oh, I gotta have that. And y'all, you could tell by the bags in my eyes that I am tired. I'm tired, but guess what? We're gonna keep on pushing because dreams don't work unless you do. And that's the fact. Like, some people might say, oh, you work too much. And I'm like, I got a dream, I gotta go, and I ain't stopping until I reach it. And that's just that on that. If you have a dream, work towards it, because nobody's gonna work towards it better than you, and nobody's gonna go hard for your dream as hard as you're gonna go. So yeah, it's coming soon that I'll be able to just do what I love doing as a job. And it really won't even consider a job. It's just me doing what I love to do, which is hair. And let's not talk about my hair. I've been doing everybody else's hair, and my hair just seems to be, right now the bun looks a mess, but in a bun. But yeah, so I will hopefully my clients, I'm going to start recording videos of the clients that want to be put on YouTube. If y'all are interested in something like that, drop it down below. I'm probably going to post it anyway, but we're going to see how those videos do. Other than that, thank you for watching my channel. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. You gotta subscribe, man, and ring that bell. Okay, I will see y'all in the next one. I'm gonna go to sleep because it is 9:18. Y'all, I should not be this tired at 9 o'clock, but I am. So I will see y'all in the next one. Thanks for watching.